Hello everybody, welcome back to Miriam's channel. We are currently in Mirissa, which is a beach destination, and we are gonna be chilling by the beach in those next few days. However, today the weather is absolutely terrible. It's like even a little bit cold for Sri Lanka. Usually every day we've been here has been either boiling hot, super humid, or raining, and today is just really plain. Clouds are out and it's a little bit chilly. So we are at Arisa Beach right now. We are both ready for swimming. Arisa's wearing her cute little shorts and I'm wearing my bikini that I haven't worn for like years. So this beach is known for surfing, and there is a lot of tourists and backpackers here, and actually people surfing. And we're just gonna be chilling here most of the day today until we are hungry and it's ready for lunch. We just have a spot right here under this tree. Arela already started to eat the sand and explore what the sand is all about, and soon we're going to go to the water and get Arela's reaction. As you can see, she's very happy. We've been to the beach with her once already and she absolutely loved it, and I think this time will be the same, but we shall find out soon. So let's see how warm is the water in Sri Lanka. The temperature right now is about 28 degrees, really hot, and I have a feeling the water is going to be super warm as well. On the beach, and we are currently looking for food because it's kind of lunchtime and Arela's hungry and we're hungry. And on TripAdvisor there's so many places here with local food and not local food, but Josh found this cool restaurant where you can buy a Sri Lankan buffet, so that's where we're going now.
Found the place, it looks really appetizing. Let's dig in. Alright guys, we found this little spot called Dana's Curry Pot. 400 rupees each per person. Buffet, all you can eat per plate. All different kinds of curries. You get some rice, just different kind of stuff you can get on your plate. Only for 400 rupees, and you can't complain about that. A taste I love.
So yes, Mirissa is known for its surfing beach, but it's not just that. We have two spots here that are very popular on Instagram where people come and take their Instagram pictures. So we're gonna go to number one right now. It's called Coconut Tree Hill, where there's just basically palm trees and it's at the edge of this hill. As you can see, Arela's sleeping right now. She got knocked out after the beach and I'm just like carrying her like that. I don't know how I'm gonna take this picture because I don't wanna have it like this on me, so I'm gonna have to take it off somehow. So it's just behind us right now. As you can see, there's a lot of people there, which means obviously there's gonna be a queue. Hopefully we can get there and take up pictures without anybody in the frame. Hopefully, we shall find out. As you can see guys, this there is the famous location, but look how many people is there. We would have to wait probably an hour or two to get a spot in the middle of that, but we'll see what we can do. After an hour waiting here, we finally got the perfect picture. We tried so many different locations, and then after all this time, we got some good shots without any people in their background, finally.
So that was one of the viewpoints here in Mirissa. That's very well known. The other one is called Parrot Rock.
And we have just arrived to another Instagram favorite spot in Mirissa, which is this beautiful viewpoint. It's literally just a rock. You can go upstairs. There are stairs over there. We ain't going to go upstairs today because it's just a long walk and we are done for today. The weather is looking so much better right now. And we were over there by those trees and now we are here by this viewpoint. And that is pretty much it for this video. As you can see, guys, this is Mirissa. It's just a beach city for relaxation and few viewpoints that you can take your perfect Instagram pictures. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. By the way, guys, we have recently opened a Patreon account, and if you really do want to see us travel for longer, we would be so grateful if anybody would be so generous to donate any money towards our channel and towards our traveling goals, which are to travel as long as possible. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!